Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are hiking the Spirea Trail at Golden Ears and we're taking you along. So we've done this trail quite a few times, and this trail Liam can walk on his own, so we won't be needing the carrier for this one. But yeah, we're excited. The only thing is it's pretty hot today. We're going through a heat wave here in BC, so we'll see how it goes. So one of the things I love about this trail is how quiet and peaceful it is. It's just so nice. So this trail is a 0.8 kilometer trail. It's super short, but it's super nice. If you're looking for like that mossy forest-like view, this is the place to come. It's super nice, and Liam will walk through this and play with sticks and all that, and
Cool thing about this trail too is that it has a lot of did you know signs, so you kind of learn a lot as you're going about the hike. You can learn things of what they used to use the wood here for, to all the different types of animals that live within this ecosystem here. So it's pretty cool.
if you're a photographer, I'd highly recommend checking this place out because it's so nice for photos, especially in the winter. If you're looking to catch those sunbeams, this is where you want to come.
trail itself is short, but it's not very populated. So you won't see a lot of people on this trail, which is nice because you can take your time. And the good thing too is, since it is such a short trail, if you go there and you find that there's no parking, if you wait like 10 minutes, chances are it'll clear up right away. With the hot weather and everything, one thing we've tried to make sure that Liam gets plenty of water to drink. We'll take plenty of breaks, and I think that's important, especially when hiking with toddlers and children, making sure that water is the #1 priority.
So while we're hiking shorter trails, we normally take the time to just teach Liam colors, things that he sees in nature, all sorts of stuff like that. So it's really nice because we take it a lot slower, and it's not like a fast-paced hike because we're not getting somewhere. This one's like perfect just to take it really slow, and there's so much to see. Even though it's a very short trail, it's one of our favorites just because it's so beautiful all around. So yeah. Hola, Desi. Wow.
Okay, sigamos.
Vamos.
Hola.
Sí, hola. Okay, vamos. Gracias, Liam. These guys are ginormous and they're everywhere. I did not know what these were for the longest time. They're huge slugs. They're banana slugs. But we see them like everywhere, all over our house, especially when it rains. Alright everyone, thanks for coming along with us on this adventure. We hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.